Hello, and welcome to IARM Information Security's SBOMApp demonstration. In this session, we'll walk you through the platform's key features and explain why integrating SBOMApp into your software development process is essential for your organization. SBOM stands for Software Bill of Materials, essentially a detailed inventory of all the components that make up a software application. You can think of it like a list of ingredients that clearly shows exactly what goes into your product. An SBOM report provides complete visibility into your product's components, what they are, where they originated, and how they are maintained. It also highlights their associated risks, such as whether a component is approaching end of life or end of support. Let's dive right into SBOMApp and see it in action. Upon logging in, you're greeted by the dashboard, a centralized view of all your applications. At a glance, it displays the total number of applications, along with a categorized breakdown of vulnerabilities by severity: critical, high, medium, and low. From here, you can easily drill down into any specific application. Once selected, the platform provides complete visibility into its vulnerability status, component counts, dependency relationships, and license distribution. Every section is fully interactive. Clicking on a metric instantly reveals in-depth details. For example, the dependencies view visually maps how components are interconnected, allowing you to filter by specific components and navigate directly to their information for further analysis. Now, let's move to the SBOM generator, which is the first stage in the process. Here, we can generate a software bill of materials from either local source code or a connected GitHub repository. Simply select the source code, specify the application name and version, and, if using GitHub, set an automated schedule for daily, weekly, or monthly scans at your preferred time. Clicking the Generate button creates the SBOM and automatically runs a vulnerability scan. All output is securely stored in the database. Next, in the SBOM selection view, we can browse all available SBOMs. Selecting an application displays its component list, license details, and vulnerability status in a clear, structured format. Component details include name, version, type, associated group license, and license type, and the full list can be exported. On the left, the license distribution chart shows how many components use each license. For example, 10,129 components are licensed under MIT. The classification view distinguishes between open source and third-party licenses. Moving into the vulnerability section, we see a detailed list of identified issues for the selected application. Here, 2 high and 2 medium severity vulnerabilities. Each entry shows the component name, version, type, vulnerability name, CV score, severity, affected part, and recommended fixed version. We also provide VXID, vulnerability exploitability exchange, details, references, and full descriptions to help guide remediation. This report can be exported at any time. In the Dependencies tab, vulnerable components are highlighted for quick prioritization. Once an issue is resolved, we can rerun the scan and compare results between the previous and updated versions. The comparison view shows the reduction in vulnerabilities, for example, from 4 in the older version to 0 in the updated one, along with components added, removed, or updated, and any changes in dependencies. Notably, license compliance remained unchanged. The detailed comparison report is also exportable. Within the Settings menu, the License Management section allows organizations to define compliance policies. If a license is marked as non-compliant, the system automatically flags any application containing it on the dashboard, ensuring policy enforcement across all projects. Finally, in User Management, administrators can create users with role-based access control. For example, SBOM owners can work on assigned applications, SBOM users can work with existing applications but not generate new SBOMs, and SBOM viewers have read-only access to view and export reports for permitted applications.